Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add event to a calendar on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So first of all, we need to open the calendar. You can do that by, for instance, going to the Google folder if you have still one in the home screen, and then you have the calendar over here. Or you can open the app drawer where you have all apps, and then you should be able to find the calendar over there as well. If you open it for the first time, you can allow notifications, or if not, then of course you don't have to do that right now. Of course, for calendar, it is actually recommended to use notifications so that you can be notified about incoming events. Now, in order to add an event, then what you can do is press this plus button in the bottom right corner and then choose event. And now we can add the title of the event. We can select it if it lasts a whole day or just a specific period of time. So you can choose the time when it starts and when it ends. You can choose the time zone as well, and whether the event repeats every certain amount of days or weeks or months or years. And you can also add people, you can add video conferencing, you can add locations, you can also manage notifications. So by default, the device will notify you about the event 30 minutes before. However, you can add notification, and then you can choose one of these options over here to be notified, for instance, 1 day before instead of 30 minutes before. Or you can choose custom in order to decide by yourself when you want to be notified. And of course, you can also remove notifications as well by tapping on the X on the right side. You can change the color of the event in the calendar. You can add description, and you can also attach Google Drive items. Once you are done with setting up the event, you can press save in the top right corner, and there we go. This is how we can create an event in the calendar. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.